Now with the price, I tried getting the cheapest of every part I can get. The case cost me $53.88. The motherboard cost me $43.54. The graphics card costed me $23.32. The CPU cooler cost $15.15. The PSU costed $114.03. The RGB fans costed $42.52. The CPU costed $209. The RAM costed $92.03, and I had an SSD lying around. All in all, the part came to a total of $638.47. $53.47 more than what I had planned. As usual, links to purchase these parts are in the description. I have a series coming up to explain each PC part into detail and a guide to picking them. So do subscribe and set your notification to all videos so that you'll be notified whenever I release them. In the next video, I'll be changing some parts in the PC build, starting with the power button. Stay tuned.